Is it the right time to buy or sell Apple stock? Today, we're taking a deep dive into Apple. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, February 14, 2024. And now, we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of February 6, 2024, our system has identified Apple as a sell candidate, with a score of -2.55. Now, let's delve into the stock's performance during this period. The stock has seen a decline of -2.72%. This means it has experienced an average loss of -0.39% per day since it was labeled as a sell candidate. The stock is currently in a downward trend, indicating a potential further decline in the short term. Based on the 3-month trend, there is a projected -2.60% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from -5.38% to 2.94%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is a forecasted 19.02% change over the next year, with a potential return between 14.17% and 31.49%. This suggests a price range of $210.24 to $242.13 after 12 months. Our latest update on Apple reveals a headline titled, "Red Day on Wednesday for Apple." On Wednesday, February 14, 2024, the Apple stock price experienced a decrease of 0.481%, dropping from $185.04 to $184.15. This marks the third consecutive day of decline. Throughout the last trading day, the stock price fluctuated by 1.69%, ranging from a low of $182.44 to a high of $185.53. Over this period, the price has shown a mix of ups and downs, resulting in a loss of 0.14% over the past 2 weeks. Notably, the trading volume decreased alongside the stock price, which is generally considered a positive sign. Specifically, the trading volume dropped by 1 million shares on the last day, totaling 53 million shares bought and sold, amounting to approximately $9.77 billion. Looking back at the past 52 weeks, the highest recorded price for Apple stock was $199.62, whereas the lowest was $143.90. Currently, the stock price stands 7.75% below its 52-week high, equivalent to a difference of $15.47. Furthermore, it is 19.32% below the all-time high recorded on August 30, 2018, when the price reached $228.26. Let's take a look at some recent analyst ratings for Apple. On Friday, February 2, 2024, Goldman Sachs upgraded Apple to outperform. On Thursday, February 1, 2024, Piper Sandler gave Apple an overweight grade but with a hold action. On Tuesday, January 30, 2024, Wedbush also gave Apple an outperform grade but with a hold action. On Thursday, January 18, 2024, Bank of America Securities upgraded Apple to buy. Interestingly, on the same day, Bank of America Securities gave Apple a negative grade with an upgrade action. Analysts have given Apple stock a strong buy rating overall. They specifically rate the PE ratio and price to book as strong buy. In terms of return on investment, the analysts also give the stock a strong buy rating. Today, we will discuss the signals for Apple stock. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. Both short and long-term moving averages suggest a negative forecast for the stock. Additionally, the relation between these two signals indicates a general sell signal, where the long-term average is above the short-term average. If the stock corrects upwards, it may face resistance at the price levels of $187.46 and $188.20. However, a breakthrough above these levels could issue buy signals. On Tuesday, January 23, 2024, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point, resulting in a minus 5.65% decline so far. It is expected to fall further until a new bottom pivot is found. Furthermore, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, also indicates a sell signal at present. The volume of trading has decreased along with the price, reducing the overall risk as volume tends to follow price movements. Today, we'll explore some interesting signals that you should keep an eye on. Let's start with the moving average convergence divergence. It's currently indicating a sell signal. Another signal worth noting is the pivots indicator, which gave a sell signal 17 days ago. On the other hand, the Bollinger indicator provided a buy signal 28 days ago. Looking at short-term moving averages, we have a sell signal that occurred 4 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average also indicated a sell signal 13 days ago. When we consider the relation between the short and long moving averages, we observe a buy signal 11 days ago. Now, let's analyze the 12-month chart to gain further insights. The short moving average displayed a sell signal 6 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average indicated a sell signal 2 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages on this chart shows a buy signal 57 days ago. For more signals and detailed analysis, visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's talk about the support, risk, and stop loss for Apple. Apple's support level is at $183.63, which means that when the stock price reaches this level, it may present a buying opportunity. It's important to note that historically, when the support is tested, we can expect an upwards reaction in the stock price. Apple's stock tends to have controlled movements and is highly liquid, making the risk associated with it very low. In fact, the stock only had a $3.09 difference between its highest and lowest points in the last day, which is a 1.69% change. Over the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 1.28%. Before we discuss potential trading levels for Apple, let's start with some essential fundamental data. Firstly, let's understand the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This important ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. Apple's PE ratio is within the normal range, which is often seen in businesses with a long history or predictable revenues. Moving on, the upcoming earnings report for Q1 2024 is expected to be released on May 2, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for earnings stand at $1.51. It's crucial to closely monitor these figures as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, we'll be diving into the potential day trading levels for Apple. If Apple experiences an upward trend, the first resistance level to watch out for is at $185.85. If you're not currently holding any shares, it might be wise to wait until this level is breached before considering a position. However, if you're already invested in the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the other hand, if Apple encounters a downward movement, its first support level can be found at $183.63. If this support level holds, it could present a great entry point, with the potential for a rebound in the future. According to multiple analyst sources, Apple is strongly recommended for investment. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. On February 1, 2024, Susan Wagner bought 1,852 shares of Apple's common stock. On February 1, 2024, Susan Wagner sold 1,852 shares of Apple's restricted stock unit. On February 1, 2024, Ronald D. Sugar bought 1,852 shares of Apple's common stock. On February 1, 2024, Ronald D. Sugar sold 1,852 shares of Apple's restricted stock unit. On February 1, 2024, Monica C. Lozano bought 1,852 shares of Apple's common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power is calculated to be negative, with a ratio of -18.835. Overall, insiders have purchased 2,289,985 shares and sold 3,425,457 shares in the last 100 trades. We regret to inform you that our evaluation of this stock is negative and we have not set a stop loss. Is Apple stock a good buy? Unfortunately, Apple currently holds several negative signals and is within a falling trend. As a result, we believe it will continue to perform weakly in the near future. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, February 15th, we anticipate Apple to open down $0.110 and start trading at $184.04. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. We strongly recommend consulting a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please be aware that StockInvest.us is not to be solely relied upon for investment choices. By using the information provided, you accept full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to StockInvest. Today, we want to share our current view of the stock with you. We value your opinion, so please let us know whether you agree or disagree by commenting below. We would love to hear your thoughts. Additionally, we'd like to know your target for the stock. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Our team wishes you successful trading and a beautiful day. Thank you for being a part of our StockInvest community.